Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. So, today we will start our next session. Your next session is Roman numerals. So, in this session, we will study about Roman numerals. So, here we can discuss Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numerals and their symbols. We will study in this session. Okay. Children, it's your learning outcome. So after this session, you can learn Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. So that we will study in this section. So after this session, you can learn that what is Roman numerals according to the Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. Then before starting our section, first we will discussing our textual exercise related to rounding of numbers that we are not discussing in that class. So now first we discuss about rounding of numbers textual exercise. Okay, after that we will start our next session. Okay, children. Children, in your textbook, page number 19, one exercise we are not writing. So, rounding of numbers nearest to 10, 100,000. That exercise is there. So, we can finish that. So, first question, round off numbers to the nearest 10. Round off numbers to the nearest 10. So, what? Here number is given 4753. So, here you look nearest to 10. You listen this ones place number, that is 3. Because that is less than this midpoint, that means 53 is less than midpoint. So that is rounding nearest to 4750. Okay, this is the answer, 4750. Then nearest to 100, this number is nearest to 100, you can round off. How to round off? Nearest to 100, you listen this tens place. 100 place number is 2, so look this tens place. Tens place is greater than 5. So this is nearest to upper 100. That means 19,300. Okay. Then this number is nearest to 2,000. How to find? Yes, you look this thousands place number is 1 and this look this 100 place number. 100 place number is 4. That is less than 5. So that is nearest to lower 1000. 1,21,000 is the answer. Children, second question is round off the numbers nearest to the thousands. Okay, first one is 5,500. 5,500 ആകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും 5 is the 100 place number. So 5 is 5 or greater than 5. We are rounding off numbers nearest to 1000, upper 1000. So this is 6,000 is the upper 1000. 5,000 and 6,000 edakelle number. So 6,000 is the upper 1000 and here 33,409. So this is between which numbers? 33,000 and 43,000. So here this is nearest to 4 is less than 5. So that is nearest to lower 1000, that is 33,000. Okay. Then next is 12,272. So 2 is less than 5. So 12,000 is the answer, lower 1000. And here 63,810. So here that 8 is greater than 5. So upper 1000 is 64,000. 64,000 and 63,000 edakelle number. Then last question, 15,269 nearest to 100 m. So 100 ലാകുമ്പോൾ 269 ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പർ അടയ്ക്കുക? 200 300. So upper 100 is 300 because 6 is greater than 5. So that is nearest to 100 is 15,300 m. Understand, children? This is the answers for your page number 19. You can refer this answer and you can revise this Saturday and Sunday. You can write the answer. Try to write alone. Okay. Children, so let's start our next session, that is Roman numerals. So did you see this type of clock? This type of numbers did you see anywhere? Yes, this is a clock. So in your classes Class is writing which type of numbers? It's 4 is writing this is 4 and this is 5. So class, we are writing this type of numbers we can use, and this type of clocks we can see this type of numbers and this type of symbols. So these symbols are called Roman numerals. Instead of numbers we can use this type of symbols. These symbols are called Roman numerals. Okay, so we are normally using 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and that numbers are called Hindu Arabic numerals. So instead of that Hindu Arabic numerals, we can use this Roman numerals. Understand? These are the Roman numerals. These are the symbols of Roman numerals. Okay.
Look, children, this is Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic numeral chart is there. This is the chart representing on Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, so you listen here. Here, you look this. Here, Hindu Arabic numeral is 1 and same that Roman numeral is. This is representing 1 and 2. How to represent 2? Yes, 2 numbers is writing. 2, 1 is writing. That means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is writing and 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. And 4, how to write? 4 is writing, not writing 4 ones. Our 5 is given here. 5 is the symbol V. So first writing, that means 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 in 1 Roman numerals rules under that rule I will teach you. So according to that rule, 4 is representing. 4 means 5 minus 1, not 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. So first writing 1, then writing 5 symbol. This is 4. That means 5 minus 1. Okay, this rule I will teach you. So for this is 4 symbol and 6. How to write? 6 we can write because 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 symbol is writing, then 1 writing after. So this is 6. So this is number 6. Okay, 7 also writing here. 7 also, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 symbol writing, then 2 ones. So that is 7 and 8 also, 5 plus 3. So 8. How to write 9? 9 how to write? Tens is X is the number. Tens number is X. Tens Roman numeral is X. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So how to write? 1 symbol and 10 symbol, that is 10 minus 1. This is a rule. So this is representing which number? Is 9. So this is 9. Okay, then 11, same that 10 plus 1 is 11. So we can write 10 first, then 1 is writing. So that is 10 plus 1 is 11, 12, 13, 14 means 10, then this 4, that is 14. 15 also you can write up to 20. How to write? 2x, that is 20. X 10 plus 10 is 20. So 2x is there, that is 20. Then 2x is 20. Okay, this you understand? 20. Then next is L. L how to write? L is representing 50. 50 is L. So we can use 51. How to write? L. 50 plus 1 is 51. So L is writing, then 1. This is 51. Okay. 52 same. 53, 54, 55. We can write that way. Then 60. How to write 60? 60. 60 means 50 plus 10 is 60. So 50 symbol is L and 50 plus 10. What is the symbol of 10? X. So LX means that is 60. 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay. How to write 62? 62 how to write? Yes. 62. 50 plus 10, 60. So LX is writing LX. That means, sorry. L Then x is writing L x. So this is 60. Okay, 60 you understand how to write 2. 2 means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 ones you write. This is 62. Understand? This symbol is 62. So this is number 62. Then 50 symbol is L. Then what is 100 symbol? 100 is C. C representing 100. So 100 836. How to write 836? 836. 800. If I am right, 100 is here. Then D is representing 500. So how to make 800? 800 means 500 plus 300 is 800. Okay. 500 plus 300, 800. So 500 symbol is D. D എഴുതി 500 symbol D ആണ്. So D നമ്മൾ എഴുതി. Okay. Then 500 plus 300 ആണ് നമ്മുടെ 800 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. പക്ഷെ 300 സിമ്പിൾ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ? നോ. അപ്പൊ എത്ര തവണ സി എഴുതണം? 3 times C എഴുതിയാൽ നമുക്ക് 300 കിട്ടില്ലേ? 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. So 3 times C. 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 So this is 800. Okay. Then 836. How to make 36? ഇതിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ 36 ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 30 കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 3 times 10 അല്ലേ? 3 times 10 is writing. So this is 3 times 10. Okay. Then 6 symbol V1. Okay, V1. This is 36. Then 1000 symbol is M. This is the 1000 symbol. So the rules I will show you next time. Then children, you listen here. This is an easy trick for reminding the Roman numerals. Medical savior. You remember this name, medical savior. So M is representing 1000. Starting from this 1000, 100, then 500, 100, 50, 10, 5, 1. So M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50. This is the easy tricks for reminding the Roman numerals. So you study the Roman numerals by heart, then only you can write any Roman numeral and their Hindu-Arabic numeral. Okay, medical savior you remember, and then find out the Roman numeral. This is the easy tricks for Roman numeral. Okay.
When in Rome, count as the Romans do.
This is an old story from Rome about an Indian genius far from his home. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears, said a Roman general. This year, Rome needs an emperor. One of you could take the throne after all. But first, take a look at this puzzle from distant shores. It's a Hindu-Arabic numeral to check your values and scores. Represent it as a Roman numeral in a blink, and no one can stop you from becoming the king. Baffled by it, the countrymen raised some furore. They had never seen something like that before.
I can do it,
Echoed a heavy voice, surprising the crowd and hushing all noise. He was an old mathematician from Indian shores named Anantharaman, not the type who ever boasts.
Show me the number.
He said, rising from his seat. The number is
1777.
How do we make a Roman out of it? Anantharaman will show you how to do that.
Let us first split this number. 1777 can be written as 1000 plus 700 plus 70 plus 7. Let us split it further. We get 1000 plus 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2. We represent 1000 with an M, 500 with a D, and 100 with a C. Now there are two hundreds. So repeat the C again. 50 is represented with an L and 10 with an X. Again, there are two tens. So repeat the X again. Finally, 5 is represented with a V and 2 is represented with I and I. So that is the Roman numeral for 1777. Finally, we have the Roman equivalent.
Bravo! Bravo! Cheered the crowd. Whether he became a king, we don't know yet. But before he left, he did scribble a Roman number on the floor for us to interpret.
Use your knowledge, use your wits to decipher which number this is.
Children, it's your notebook corner. In your notebook, you draw this table and study by heart this table. Otherwise, you don't know how to write Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. So, for that easy trick, you remember medical savior that I am writing in the notebook. So, you write in the notebook that you can use different colors for remembering. Okay. Kids, this is your homework session. So in your worksheet 1B page number 6 is your homework. Okay, that's a problem solving question. So think and write the answer. Only one question is here, but you read carefully the question, then think it. Okay, then write the answer. Try to write the answer. So children, what we discussed today? Yes, Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals we discussed today. I think all of you understand. Next we will study rules I will give in our next session. Okay. After that rule, then you can write Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, so here then we discuss about our textual problems related to rounding of numbers we already discussed in this session. Okay children? Children, our next topic is rules for writing Roman numerals. So next session we will study what all rules for writing Roman numerals. Did you understand what is Roman numerals and what is Hindu Arabic numerals? Do you understand? So for writing Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals, we have some rules is there. 5 rules is there. That rules we will study in our next session. Okay. So I think all of you understand what is Roman numeral and their symbols. That symbols you by heart. Okay. That symbols you by heart and study that. Then only you can write the Roman numeral according to the Hindu Arabic system. Okay. Thank you all of you.